Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore English vocabulary together. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is encourage. What does it mean, and how can we use it? Let's find out. Encourage is a B1 level verb, and it means to give support, confidence, or hope to someone. It's about inspiring them to do something or to continue doing something, especially when they might be feeling doubtful or afraid. We use it a lot in everyday language. For example, my parents encouraged me to study hard, or the teacher encouraged the students to participate in class. So it's all about giving a boost, a little push, and showing your belief in someone. Now, let's look at some synonyms for encourage. These are words that have similar meanings, which can help you understand encourage even better. One synonym is support. My friends support me in my decisions. Another synonym is motivate. The coach tried to motivate the team before the game. We can also use inspire. The artist's work inspires many young people. Another good synonym is cheer. The crowd cheered the runners on. Finally, we have urge. I urge you to try your best. Notice how each of these words carries a similar feeling of pushing someone forward in a positive way. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the coin with antonyms. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning of encourage. One antonym is discourage. The negative comments discouraged her from singing. Another is deter. The high price of the tickets deterred many people from attending the concert. We can also use dissuade. I tried to dissuade him from quitting his job. Another antonym is hinder. The heavy rain hindered our progress. And finally, depress. The bad news depressed him. You can see how these words create a sense of stopping someone, making them feel less confident, or preventing them from doing something. Now, let's talk about how we can use encourage in everyday life. You can use it to encourage a friend who's feeling down. I encourage you to believe in yourself. You can encourage a colleague who's working on a difficult project. We encourage your efforts on this project. A parent can encourage their child to try new things. I encourage you to try the new food. We can encourage each other to be more environmentally friendly. We encourage everyone to recycle. You can even encourage yourself to achieve your goals. I encourage myself to finish this task today. Here are some more examples of encourage in sentences and phrases. She encouraged him to pursue his dreams. The teacher's words encouraged the student to keep trying. We want to encourage healthy eating habits. They encourage creativity and innovation. He felt encouraged by her positive feedback. I need someone to encourage me when things get tough. It is important to encourage open communication. The company encourages its employees to take breaks. The doctor encouraged him to exercise regularly. Let's encourage each other to reach our full potential. I felt so much encouragement after talking to her. Your kind words gave me encouragement. We need to create an environment of encouragement. They received a lot of encouragement from their fans. The project aims to encourage young people to vote. The government encourages investment in renewable energy. The organization encourages people to donate blood. The program encourages students to study abroad. I want to encourage you to be brave and take risks. She always knows how to encourage me when I am feeling down. I find it easy to encourage others, but hard to encourage myself. His success should encourage us all. The positive results encouraged further research. We encourage feedback from our customers. The guide encouraged us to walk to the city center. I encourage you to learn new languages. The principal encouraged students to maintain discipline. The senior students encouraged their juniors to participate in events. The doctor encouraged her to stop smoking. So, that wraps up our exploration of the word encourage. Remember, it means to give support or hope to someone. We talked about synonyms like support, motivate, inspire, cheer, and urge, and antonyms like discourage, deter, dissuade, hinder, and depress. We also looked at how you can use encourage in your daily conversations. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and encouraging. Now, before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other English learners find our show, and it really means a lot to me. And here's a fun little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word encourage and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read what you come up with. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.